Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact phone model and operating system because recovery steps differ by platform. Once done, make sure you have access to the account email, recovery phone number, or any backup PIN. These are the keys for remote reset or verification. While you do that, plug the phone into power and connect it to Wi-Fi so updates or remote commands can complete without interruption. This first push gets you to the verification stage quickly and avoids avoidable delays. You now use platform recovery utilities to locate or unlock the screen. Start with Find My Device on Android or Find My iPhone on iOS because they allow remote locking, ringing, or erasing. If remote unlock isn't available, put the device into recovery or download mode and connect it to a computer to run the official restore. This wipes the screen lock, but requires account credentials afterward. Make sure to follow each verification prompt carefully and note any recovery codes. You finish by signing back into the device with the original account to satisfy activation locks. Then set a new secure screen method like PIN, passphrase, or biometric. If you cannot sign in because recovery options failed, use the platform's account recovery form or contact customer support with proof of ownership. As a troubleshooting tip, check simple causes. Test with a known working SIM, ensure time and date are correct, and try a different USB cable or network. Those small fixes often resolve stuck activations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.